Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are creating a super cute Easter nail. So this has got mini egg vibes and it's got dripping chocolate, so everything we want for Easter. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of my colour coat. I'm using Bunny from Lecente. It has this gorgeous glitter incorporated in it, which is perfect for creating the look of mini eggs. So 2 coats of that are cured, and I'm now going to pop some Chestnut, which is my chocolatey colour, onto my nail art palette. I'm using a dotting tool here to apply sort of an almost zigzaggy line of dots across my nail tip. I do apologise for this part of the film. The nail tip is actually the wrong way up. Obviously, if you were working on a client, the nail tip would be the other way round facing towards you. So once I've applied those dots, I'm not going to cure them. I am going to take a brush. I'm using my D3 brush, and I am just going to follow those dots up to the tip of the nail so they have a dripping effect. So the dot is going to be the drip on the end, and I'm just stranding them up to the top of the nail. Once I have all my chocolate drips in place, I'm just going to go across the top of the nail and fill that in. So it's almost like having a chocolatey French. It doesn't have to be even at all because it is like chocolate has been poured over the tip of my nail. So I'm going to fill all of that tip area in. So once that's all filled in, I'm going to go on with my top coat. In this video, we are using a glossy top coat, which looks fab, but a great alternative to try is to use a matte top coat just over your colour and then apply these chocolate drops on top of your matte top coat, leaving you with a matte base and a shiny chocolate drip, which will also look fab. So on with our top coat. I love this design. I think it's so cute. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you have, then please feel free to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you here on my channel, and let me know what you think of the videos in the comments.